I was where you guys were, where you wake up early to an alarm clock, go to work, see your boss. Maybe you hate him. I used to hate mine, right? And you go home and you're upset and you're like, oh, I've got to wake up early tomorrow. And, you know, especially Sunday evenings, I remember how bad they were because you know you've got work the next day, right? So you go to sleep early on a Sunday evening, wake up early for Monday, and then your whole cycle starts again. Then you get excited for Christmas. Then you get excited for, you know, Easter and all that kind of stuff because you get some days off. Guys, what kind of life is that? What kind of life is that? Because my life now is whatever I want it to be. I can wake up at whatever time I want. I don't even put an alarm anymore, right? I literally wake up whatever time I want. I live life on my own terms, and this is the best feeling ever. I can work wherever I want. Today I'm in Dubai. If I want to travel tomorrow to the UK, I could do so because no one's going to tell me no. I work for myself. I run my own business. And because it's an online business, well, I just need my laptop and I can make money, right? So I have freedom to do whatever it is that I want. I can go to the Dubai Mall and work there. I can go to the beach, work there. Do you know what I'm trying to say? Like, think about this logically, right? When you can work from anywhere you want, you can literally do whatever it is that you want, right? Because you have freedom. You can be where you want to be. And this is what I'm trying to explain to you guys. You can live that life going from, you know, working a 9-to-5 job, living my life on someone else's terms and hating every minute of it, going to work in the cold, freezing mornings, you know, landing in work, coming home with 2 grand at the end of the month, compared to now where I make thousands every single day and life is easy and I live in Dubai and I've got a swimming pool on my balcony and I can work wherever I want and I can travel wherever I want and I don't have a boss. Do you know what I'm trying to say?